Hi, this is your ultimate wilderness guide, the Accent Man now here. And now I'm here actually in a little bit urban, which means like city-like settings to film a very interesting bird. And let's see if I can find it. Somewhere there. We have to follow the tree tops. Now I'm mainly following the sky here. And let's see if we can find something very, very interesting. Yep, there is something over there. In this very, very urban setting, all of a sudden we have this beautiful bird. Looks so majestic. If only my cameraman could hold the camera a little bit more still, but he's kind of, he's so excited. He's very, very shaky at the moment. Yes, this is not my bird. My bird is taking a little vacation flight over the valley and maybe finds a little morning snack. This is probably the one that flirted with my bird and almost flew away with my bird and my camera. What a beautiful, beautiful bird. It's also American national bird. Wow. I can't really, it's difficult for me to speak. I'm in such awe. It's so incredible. Wow. This kind of stuff you can find here, even in urban settings. This is your ultimate wilderness guide, the Accent Man. Bye now.